Chocolate is made in a factory through a detailed process that begins with harvesting ripe cocoa, pods and removing the cocoa beans, which are then fermented and dried to develop their flavor. The dried beans are cleaned, roasted, and cracked to remove the shells, producing cocoa nibs that are ground into cocoa liquor, milk for milk chocolate, and cocoa butter. This liquor is mixed with sugar, then refined to achieve a smooth texture, after which it is tempered by controlled heating and the mixture is caught for several hours to enhance flavor and aroma. Finally, the chocolate is poured into molds, cooled until solid, wrapped, packaged,